Hi Pash. So this issue is on API call log page, and issue is related to the date that is displayed here, date and time. So this time is not accordance with user or tenant time zone. So this user has time zone IST UTC plus 530. It is ASCII, and the tenant is also having same time zone. And now, for example, if I run any report, API report, so this transaction report I'm running. And if I go back to this API call log, just a minute, let me try some other report. This report doesn't have any data. Yeah, so this report I executed, this candidate, and now if I go and do search, so I got this sales order report, and you can see the time displayed is 6:17 am, and the current time here is 11:47 am. So there is difference in the time displayed here. That's an issue. Thank you.